Today we will learn about comments, strings, and escape sequences. Let's first talk about the definition of comments. Comments are notes written in the source code by the programmer to describe or clarify the code. They're ignored by the Java compiler, so they're intended only as messages to the humans that will read the code files. So let's look at the program and let's make some comments. How do we do that? There are two ways of doing it, and the first way is putting two slashes. And after two slashes, we can leave whatever comments we want to leave. But let's put a description of this program this time. This program is a program that prints out hello world. What if we want to make this line into like several lines or more than two lines? Maybe we should enter it. This works, but there's like a better way of doing this because we can't always type in the slashes all like for every single line. That's inefficient. So the way we do this is we put slash and we put the star thing and then we press enter, and this time like this IDE automatically puts in the ending symbol here, but you should know that we need those two symbols in order to make a comments that is more than one line. So when we have those two symbols, we can have as many comments as we want in between them. So let's test it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or whatever. So this is how we leave comments. Now let's talk about the strings. What is strings in the first place? In Java, a string is any sequence of characters, so letters, digits, spaces, punctuations, and any other special characters are all called strings. To make things more simple, it's basically everything in between the quotation marks. They're all strings. So let me give you guys an example. So when we say let's print something, and we put the quotation mark, it means that we're gonna print a string. And as I said, it can be anything in between the quotation marks. So maybe I can just do this and hello, I am smart, and let's just run this program and see how it does. And it just printed that string right there. So it's not a complicated concept, and it's a pretty simple concept actually, and I hope you guys understand it. And if you guys have problems understanding the string, you can leave comments, then I'll answer you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so now we know what the string is, and we know that it's if we put some kind of a letter or characters inside the quotation marks, we know it's a string. But what if we want to print a quotation mark? So what we're gonna do here is putting 3 quotation marks, and let's try to run this. And there's an error. The worst thing that you would like to see when you're coding. Why is this happening? It's because computer is pretty stupid. It wouldn't understand what you are trying to say, because this quotation mark means that there is going to be a string in between it, and this quotation mark is a special letter. So this is not going to work. So this is where we need this thing called escape sequence. So what this is a backslash. If we put a backslash, it removes the special characteristic of a special letter. So now let's run this thing. There we go, it printed the quotation mark. So it applies to many things, and I'll show you guys a set of examples of escape sequences on the screen. So those are 4 examples, and what you guys need to do is memorize it. There's no other way around it, so good luck with that. And you can pause here because I'm gonna end the video soon. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys understood what I was talking about. And if you guys have questions, leave comments, then I'll reply to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.